Morning, guys. Today we are at the Pan Pacific Hotel in Yangon. It's 9 o'clock a.m. We are going now to go on the ways of the breakfast side. So here is the hotel lobby. We take the ways to the breakfast side. You see, this is the church. We stay at Yangon now, Myanmar. So now we are going to the way of the breakfast, and let's see the kind of buffet, kind of food that we can collect in here in the morning times. Hazelnut, cereal stations, soy milk, fresh milk, some yogurt and cheese. Wow, strawberry yogurt, all this natural and fresh. Some jams, breads, canon, apple turnover, chocolate croissant. Ooh, yeah, that's great. This is some other kind of cake. Then we are going to the other stations. So you can see salmon, breast chicken, can of ham. This is the fresh orange juice, watermelon, pineapple, kind of soup, salmon teriyaki. Some sushi for the fat. Yeah, shrimp, any kind of fruits. They will provide for you your fresh orange juice or mixed juice. This is the noodle station. Wow. Okay, kind of sauce of everything. Noodle station. Now we are going to the toast, pancake, omelette. Different kind of omelette with the chef still here to prepare your rice, to prepare your eggs. Okay, so chicken veggie. Other stations. Here we have fried rice. Let's see. It's good. 5 vermicelli. It's good. Kind of Chinese food. Oh. This is kind of Chinese food. Yes. Okay. This was the review of the Pan Pacific Hotel Yangon. Good appetit. Enjoy your breakfast. Bye. Hope you like this review. Please like it and subscribe to my channels. You will have a look at many breakfast size. Is one of best hotel around the world. Bye. Have a nice day.